Hey guys, so today what I want to demonstrate is some wall decals on this wall. Let's spice it up together. So we've got a kangaroo. It's the large kangaroo, so this is how it comes in. You peel it off of the paper. Next we've got a bear waving hello. This one I've actually used a few times and it's still sticky, it's still good, so you can move them, take them with you where you're going, and put them in your room. I like to use a little level. By a little level, I mean my level on my phone. Just like that, and then why not throw a little eagle in the mix. And there you go. You've got a fun wall with fun furry friends and feathery ones as well, done in no time at all, and you don't need to worry about repainting or peeling the walls or anything like that, and you can take it with you. So there it is.